1, 2, check. Greetings, salutations. Hola and ahoy. Testing out my makeshift green screen.
Until you fall asleep.
And I'm very pleased with the fact that I only spent $4, $4 effing dollars, to make this makeshift green screen.
How about I sit here?
So yeah, ask me how I did it. I'm pretty sure anybody that at least with a small creative mind can actually come up with this easily. Because really, come on, it was just pretty simple to figure this one out, and it's so low budget to get it to make my own green screen. Well, to make my own, do it myself. I had to, and I did it, and here we are.
How about I sit here until you fall asleep?
I like this. This is cool. I have a background in here and freaking media playing. I'm just enjoying messing around and figuring out little things here and there with OBS and this, and just whatever I could get my hands on for equipment and whatnot. So yeah, $4, makeshift green screen. Adios.